lost sight of him too.
Oh.
From what she was saying.
Hey!
Coming in and out.
Hey!
Side road,
Come here!
into the main road, and
Hey,
going
come here, I'm
down the
talking to
road,
you.
and it's
You're wearing all black, come here. Alright, I'm getting my taser out. Taser! Stop! I'm seriously about to tase you. Come here. You just assaulted somebody at Dodge store? Go to my car. Come on. Go to my car. Go to my car. Do not come near me. Go to my car. Go to my car now. I need someone to come to Deerfield, please. Getting back up. Get in my car now.
I'm in route.
I got here. He assaulted somebody at Dodge's. Get back now! Get back! Get back! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Do not move! Put your hands up now! Do not move! Shots fired! Shots fired! I've shot him. I need to hear someone now. Do not move! He hit me in the face twice. I had no choice. Do not move!
Hey, you get there from route?
Yes, sir.